Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.2 question number 1 part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows consistent system, inconsistent system and consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of these methods. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the word. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. First, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. There are total number of students is 10. If the number of girls is 4 more than the boys, find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can solve very easily. Clear? See the word. Form of pair of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, No confusion about it. Very good. Let number of boys equal to x, number of girls equal to y. Then according to question, according to first situation, x plus y equal to 10. Equation according to first situation, x plus y equal to 10. Here total number of students 10. Let number of boys x, number of girls y, then x plus y equal to 10. It is first equation. Now according to second situation, here number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of boys x, number of girls y. It means x equal to y minus 4 or y minus x equal to 4. Clear? You can write it here minus x minus, here number of boys is x equal to y minus 4, or you can write here 4 is left side and x on right side, or you can write y on left side. Here you write y on left side. It becomes x minus y equal to minus 4. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second. X minus y equal to minus 4 or x equal to y minus 4. Because number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. We find two solutions of each equation. We find two solutions of each equations. We find two solutions of each equations. First equation is x plus y equal to 10. It is first equation. Here xy point. It is clear? Here you can write the value of x is 0 and value of y is 10. It becomes 0 and 10 coordinate point A. If you put the value of y is 0 here, then x is 10. Your coordinate is 10 and 0 point B. It is two solution of equation first. Clear? Now you find two solution of equation second. Here equation second is x minus y equal to minus 4. Equation second. You find two solution of this equation. Here y, xy point C and D. Clear? Here you put the value of x is 0, then the value of y is 4. X is 0, y is 4. Your coordinate 0 and 4. It is clear? No confusion about it. Here 0, here 4. It become -4 equal to -4. It means it is satisfy this equation. Clear? Now you put the value of y is 0. Here 0. Value of y is 0. It becomes 0. And here the value of x is -4. Here -4. Your coordinate is -4 and 0. Clear? You plot these points. Clear? Plot. We plot the point A. A means 0, 10. B means 10, 0. C means 0, 4. 0, 4. And D means -4, 0. -4, 0. On plane. On the plane. It is clear? No confusion about it. Here it is Cartesian plane. X-axis, x dash, here y, and here y dash. It is origin. It is Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can draw many lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is clear? Here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is clear? Here you can write it is clear? Here you can write same line. Here same line. Clear? Your axis is here. It is axis line. It is axis line. X dash. And it is y dash axis line. It is clear? You plot firstly point A, 0 and 10. 0 means at origin, 10 means at y-axis and positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here point A means 0 and 10. It is clear? Now you plot point B, 10 and 0. 10 at x-axis and 0 means at origin. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here it is point B, 10 and 0. Point B, 10 and 0. Here you can write. It is here you can write B, 10 and 0. It is clear. Now you plot point C, 0 and 4. 0 means at origin and 4 means at y-axis on positive direction. Here 1 2 3 4. Here it is line C means 0 and 4. Clear? You join, firstly you join point A and B. Here you join A and B. Clear? Here plot point D, minus 4 and 0. Minus 4 at x-axis on negative direction. Here 1 2 3 4. Here minus 4 and 0. 0 means at origin. Clear? Here it is point D. D means minus 4 and 0. Clear? Now you join point C and D. Clear? You join point C and D. Here it is point D and it is point C, it is point A and it is point B. Clear? Here point E. Here point E. Point E. The coordinate of point E is here 1 2 3. Here 3 and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is coordinate of point E. Here two lines AB and CD intersect each other. Clear? It means it is intersecting line. It is intersecting line and it shows consistent system and unique solution. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Coordinate of point E. Here you can write coordinate of point E 3 and 7. Hence number of girls is, number of boys is 3 and number of girls is 7. Hence number of boys equal to 3, number of girls equal to 7. Number of girls equal to 7. Here you can write number of girls 7. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question and you can represent any situation on Cartesian plane. It is clear? No confusion about it? Solution is easy? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.